The conversation around artificial intelligence and jobs often focuses on the fear that AI will simply replace software developers. In reality, the true threat comes from fellow developers who embrace and master AI tools. Imagine a scenario where one developer uses AI to finish a task in just 10 minutes, while another takes a full hour. The industry will always favor the person who is 6 times more productive. Mastering AI is no longer just a way to get ahead, but a necessary skill to ensure career survival in 2026 and beyond. Machine learning, or ML, is the process of training an algorithm on massive data sets so it can make predictions about new, unseen data. Picture this. You feed a model with years of weather data, including wind speed, precipitation, humidity, and temperature. When you provide today's weather parameters, the model predicts whether it will rain. Importantly, ML offers predictions based on historical patterns, but it does not guarantee absolute truth. There are 3 main types of machine learning. First, supervised learning uses clearly labeled input and output data. For example, health data like blood pressure and glucose levels can help predict if a patient is diabetic. Second, unsupervised learning relies on unlabeled data, allowing algorithms to find hidden patterns. K-means clustering is one technique, often used for fraud detection by spotting unusual credit card transactions. Third, reinforcement learning places an agent in an environment, rewarding or penalizing its actions so it learns the best strategies over time. A professional machine learning project follows a structured workflow. It begins with data collection, gathering raw data from various databases. Next comes data pre-processing, cleaning and formatting data for algorithm consumption. Model selection follows, choosing from libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, or PyTorch. Training the model can be time-intensive, especially with complex data. Afterward, testing and evaluation use metrics like ROC-AUC curve, accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score. Finally, once deployed, models require continuous updates as new data arrives. Deep learning leverages artificial neural networks, or ANN, to approximate extremely complex functions. Unlike simple equations, deep learning handles intricate relationships between inputs and outputs. Key architectures include convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, for image data, and recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, and long short-term memory networks, or LSTMs, for sequential data. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, paved the way for generative AI. Transformers, which use attention mechanisms, revolutionized natural language processing, and power models like ChatGPT. To stay competitive, use managed services instead of building everything from scratch. Amazon SageMaker offers a full suite for building, training, and deploying models without server worries. Amazon Code Whisperer accelerates coding with AI assistance. AWS Skill Builder provides free courses on generative AI and machine learning fundamentals. It is important to note that ChatGPT is not just a pure neural network. It includes additional layers such as customization, rule systems, and safety checks, all built on top of its core model. Ultimately, success in today's industry is not just about knowing the math. It is about implementing models quickly, efficiently, and driving real business value